everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the Queen from the 20th to the 24th of June 2022 on Monday. Just when Vuyiswa has lost all hope, she is thrown a lifeline on Tuesday. Hector and Vuyiswa will come home their baby. Goodness and Cebo Elihle considers their future together on Wednesday. British prepared to make a sacrifice in order to save his family. Cebelihle's attempt at creating distance between him and his new love interest failed on Thursday. Nkosiyabo has lost all hope. Hector can't stop thinking about the kiss on Friday. A COSA member finally returns home. Goodness has a hard decision to make, her baby or her man. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.